CUBY is the most aesthetic plant pot in the world. And do you know what? It's based on recyclable plastic only. You might wonder how the CUBY works. You open the lid. You choose your favorite plant, take your plant with the roots, roll the roots inside a paper, thread the roots through the hole. Put soil in it. Water the plant a little, close the lid, stick the double-sided glue on it, take the foil up, and ta-da! Ready to decorate your ceiling. The closed design cube has the benefit that the water circulates within itself for weeks, so you rarely have to water your plant. You can stick it anywhere, no drilling or screwing. Shower, bedroom, kitchen, office, living room, giraffe. Just kidding. At your home. With your help, we are on a mission to reduce plastic waste dramatically. Take advantage of the pre-order offer and the limited Kickstarter collection.